Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1523, count odd numbers in an interval range. So we'll be given two numbers, low and high, representing the start and the end point of a range, and we have to count the number of odd numbers between them. So it's going to be a really simple problem in which what I'll be doing is I'll be just calculating the exact numbers that will lie in the range. And if both my low and high, basically the range endpoints are also odd, I'll be adding 1 to the response. Otherwise, we will simply return the numbers in the range floor division with 2. So let's do the code. Yeah. So this is number. The test cases got clear. Let's submit it. Let's submit this for the further evaluation. And the solution got accepted. Thanks, guys, for watching out the video and stay tuned for the following ones. Thank you.